today. So we'll be talking about this task today, which we really need to add this like sum of n numbers. So let's imagine the user entered. We ask the user how many numbers you want to add, and the user inputted 4 as an input. So we just begin to ask the user again 4 times. Enter number 1, enter number 2, enter number 3, number 4. So yeah, after the user enter the four numbers, we need to figure out the final result of the addition of these numbers. So let's go. Um, let's talk about what we really need to do and what areas we need to visit in this task. So at the very beginning, we will be asking the user about how many numbers they want to enter. So let's start. So using system and with plus program. This is so like fixed stuff. Main. Oops. Okay. You don't really need to worry about these guys. Like it's so fixed. You don't need to worry about it. So at the very beginning, we will be just asking the user the basic question, like how many numbers you want to add. So let's go console. Like we need to print this. Right. We asking the user how many numbers you want to add. Great. Let's make it a little bit better, like that. Okay. And then the user enter actually a number, which will be and counter. Okay, and it will be console. Like we're reading the input from the user now. Great. Oops. Actually, this is a common mistake we beginners do. Beginners like me. So we do forget to make it like we do forget to parse the integer. So we need to actually, before reading the input for an integer, we need to parse it first, just like that, and it's working. Great. So we also need to talk about the second part of the code where we actually be doing a for loop. So the for loop functions, the for loop function will be about just adding these numbers together and give us the final results. Great. So we need why we're talking about that, we need to initialize a sum variable. So great, it will be sum when we make it equal to 0, and then we have our variable here for sum, which we will need later to accumulate these numbers together. Great. So now let's start doing our for loop. So we'll do for int I equal 1. Great. I less than or equal our counter, which will be the limit of the loop, and every time we need to add, we need to exceed I by a number. Great. So now we'll be asking the user to input the actual number they need to add, right? So we'll be doing that. I hate this for real. Right. And we'll be asking the user to enter number. Okay, enter number. And we need here to be enter number 1, enter number 2, number 3. So in order to we make it dynamic, we need to make it like this to be working with I. That's why I made I equal 1, so we can start from 1. And we need also to do this method so that we can be able to use I like that. Great. After that, we need to initialize a new number, the actual number that we will be adding. So it will be int number equal, don't forget to parse this time, and console dot read line. Great. And remember our sum variable here? We will using it now by accumulating the number variable every time in the loop. So it will be sum plus equal number. Oops. Okay, great. So now we're done with the for loop. Let's go for the last part where we'll be actually printing the final result. So let's go. So we'll be just doing console.write by, don't forget our method, and let's go. So we do like the sum of all numbers, is, and we'll be doing the sum here. So let's test it and see if it really works. Okay, let's say we need to add 4 numbers. Ah, I forgot to add. Let's make it like more polished. Okay, 4 numbers, 5. Okay, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. It's 15. So the code is really working, and it's unexpected for me, but it's really working. So this is the solution for this task, and thank you guys.